So Taze, I hope I'm saying your name right, Taze. Taze says, in the beginning of my Kundalini awakening, I used to have a pretty good meditation, usually hours twice a day. This year, it is hard to get a few minutes. This is normal. I'm missing the bliss. Yes, it is somewhat normal, not unheard of, for the quality of our meditation to oscillate, to dwindle at times. It can become rather difficult. Um, and this is when a lot of people may give up meditation. I say sit, continue, excuse me, continue to sit as often as you can, at ease with whatever's coming up. Even if it's very difficult to meditate, meaning you're having a lot of thoughts, you can't relax in your body, you're feeling restless, uh, continue to sit with those experiences as well. Emotions may come up, continue to sit with them. Throughout my process, when I learned to meditate, I actually went on a Vipassana retreat, 10, 11 years ago. And that's how I learned to meditate. And those meditations were generally quite peaceful. But then Kundalini awakened and the peace was gone. It became like meditation became total chaos. But I understood that the container of meditation is a safe place for the chaos to come up, for the restlessness to come up. It's not all about peace and bliss. I see here you're writing that you're missing the bliss. Yes, I understand. Bliss can cause a lot of attachment as well. Be mindful of that. This path is not necessarily about bliss. It's not necessarily about feeling joyful or happy per se. It's about coming to a point where we're okay with whatever's arising, knowing that nothing is permanent, nothing will last. The bliss will come and go, the pain will come and go, and we're at ease with the flow of it all. So the bliss comes for multiple reasons, to give us a great taste. Yes, something very real is happening on your spiritual path. Keep going. And then it leaves to say, okay, hey, don't get attached. The bliss is a great teacher in this way.